Hello my babies, welcome back to another Rawgear haul, y'all. That rhymed. Today, at 12 p.m. PST, Rawgear is going to have a drop with a bunch of fabulous items. So in this video today, I will be modeling these items for you because I am a model.
Whoa.
And we got some really cool stuff, very different, very unique. So stay tuned, kids. Grab your popcorn, grab your calorie-free soda with all those chemicals in it. We love the chemicals. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Swole Squad. Let's get into it, shall we? So the first item is this LA View sweatshirt, and as you can see, it requires no pants, no pantalones required, y'all. I hope I'm not showing anything. But as you can see, it's very cute. I am wearing a size small in everything that I will be showing in this video today. Everything is a size small. So this is a size small, but I am also a very small human, so everything's kind of bigger on me, but I like it. I like the oversized fit look. As you can see, it's pretty long, full coverage, very cute, perfect for a pump cover, and it has a little picture of LA on the front, which I think is super cute. Rawgear right here. On the back, we also have a little picture of California. Oh, don't fall. So that's what the back looks like. It's very soft, very comfy. The inside is like this little cotton material, and it's super cute. I love this one. I love the color. It also comes in green and a bunch of other colorways, so make sure you go check out the website so you can see them all. And let me show you the green one. Oh, by the way, these socks are also Rawgear, and I think they go very well with the no pants look. So yeah. Next item. And here we have the little green one, which I am loving this color of green. I gotta say, I kind of look pretty good in it, right? Not to brag, but I feel like this is kind of a good color on me. And it's probably a good color on you too, because it's just a very flattering shade of green. I really like it. And it's just like the blue one. Once again, no pants. I'm okay, don't worry about me. No pants necessary. Cute in the back, cute in the front. It's got the same pictures, obviously it's the same thing in a different color, and here's the green one. So like I said, they got other colors too, so go check it out. And next up, we're going to do some of the hoodies. Next up, we have the front and back embroidery hoodie. That word is hard to say. It's very cool. I really like this hoodie. I feel like it looks good on me specifically because of my hair, but it will look good on you too. It's got a nice little front pocket here. It's pretty decently warm, so to keep you warm on those cold nights or cold days or mornings. I guess any time of the day. Whenever it's cold, it'll keep you warm. Once again, no pants. Hey, let's go. It's got a nice hood, so you can be just chill vibes, you know? I really like this hoodie a lot. I like the embroidery. It says Raw. On the front, you got Raw. On the back, you got Gear. I really like this hoodie a lot. It's very comfy material. It's very thick, durable material, so I really like this one. We also have it in lavender, so let me show you the lavender. Here is that same hoodie, but in lavender. I think this color is so freaking cute. I love how it's like dark purple here, the lavender here. I think that is just so cute. Very nice touch, very nice. Like I said, it's the same as the other one, just in lavender. I just love how these fit. I think the way that everything fits is just so, it's like comfy but chill but cute at the same time. You feel me? The trio of comfy, chill, cute, the 3 C's all in one. So yeah, I really like this one as well. You better work. Cover girl, work it girl, give it a twirl. Another twirl? Just did a twirl. I get dizzy. All right, and then we have the joggers. Let me show you the joggers. So here we have the high density joggers, and I have a lot to say about these. I'm very impressed with these joggers. So we have a lot of detail going on. We got this drawstring. I always say jawstring. It's hard to say drawstring too. It's almost like saying embroidery. These are hard words to say, people. Yeah, we have the drawstring, which is nice because you can make them tighter if they're too loose, but these probably won't be too loose on you because these are a size small and they fit very good. They have like a skinny jean type of vibe, like a skinny jean fit. The legs are pretty tight, but I honestly love that look and that kind of fit, that style. I think it's good because it's like a legging but in a jogger, you feel me? It's comfy. It has the Rawgear logo right here. Can you see it? And it's like, it feels really nice if you put your finger over it. It feels like soft. I like it. We got some pockets. Got a pocket here with the logo. And we got the zip pocket as well with, once again, the Rawgear logo, little thingy, little zipper thing right there. I love that they do this because I just think it's very unique, very cute. These are in the color light gray. They also have them in various colors, just like everything else I've showed you in this video. They have them in black as well, so let me show you the black. And here they are. If I did a little spin for you, here's what they look like. Front, back, cute little back. Very nice. Let me show you the black ones. Hold on, actually, before I show you the black joggers, I want to show you this graphic long sleeve because I think it is super cute and I don't feel like putting on pants right away. I want to show you it without pants first. So as you can see, we have the Rawgear, name Rawgear. I think this is really cool because it's fun. Location, Los Angeles. Hey, gotta represent. I think it's really fun. It's like, it reminds me of like a video game like Bond, James Bond. I just think it's dope. I've never seen anything like it. On the back, we just have the Rawgear emblem. This shirt is so soft. This is one of the softest shirts I've ever felt in my life. Like, it feels like, it just feels good. It feels like that sound, Here it is from afar. Once again, size small. Just in case you forgot. This is probably one of my favorites. I really like this shirt. I'm probably gonna end up getting it in more colors because they do have more colors. But let me show you the joggers next, the black joggers. So it'll be like an all black fit. It always makes me feel very cool wearing all black. So let me show you that. Here we have them, folks, the black high density joggers. They are super cute. I absolutely love them. They're just like the gray ones. We got the little zipper here with the little Rawgear emblem. Here, got the back pocket. And here's the full, from the front to the back. Here we go. Wait, start in the front. Here's the front. Pow. Here's the back. Hey. You know, you could twerk in them. That's really why you should buy these, honestly, just to twerk in them. Yeah. Super cute, right? Super comfy. Looks good together with this shirt. This is like a perfect fit to do really anything in. Go to the library. Do they still have libraries? I feel like I said this in the last haul. Go to the store, do your errands. Perfect fit for us. So, oh, and also look, can't forget about the trucker hat. You can wear the trucker hat with this fit and just look like a complete and total badass, you know? So yeah, if you guys liked any of these outfits, you can go to rawgear.com. The link is below in the description and you can use code MamaSwole for a 10% discount. Save yourself some money. And also, it really helps support me if you use my code. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons, I love you so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I also have merch and I have workout programs on MamaSwole.com, so make sure you go check all that out. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shorty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress with. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.